Hi, and welcome to another episode of EMP TV. Today we're going to be installing our aluminum top on a Can-Am
Maverick Sport
I'm
Max.
going to show you a few features of the top over here. As you can see, you're going to get two pieces. These are CNC cut, CNC formed, and powder coated with a nice texture black. Although we do offer different colors on our website. These are all, they have a rain gutter in the front. They're formed to go around the cage. They've got stiffening ribs formed into them in both the front and back piece. Now what we've done is I've already
Installed the 1-inch wide gasket that goes between the two pieces.
All right, we're going to show you what comes in the kit and what you're going to need to install it. So come on in here close, let's take a look. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver or a screw gun. Screw gun will make it quicker. Or a Phillips screwdriver will work. A 7/16 socket or wrench. A rubber mallet is helpful. Maybe a little block of wood would work too, or even the palm of your hand. That's for putting the edge trim on. Okay, what you're going to get, you're going to get 6 of these rubber coated straps. You're going to get washers. These are large diameter stainless steel washers. You're going to get some stainless steel pan head screws, stainless steel flange nuts. They have nylon in them, so they'll stay nice and tight. And you're going to get a rubber screw caps to cover up the screws when you're done. You're going to get these 2 custom made brackets for the profile cage. You're going to get some adhesive backed gasketing to go between the 2 sections. And you're going to get edge trim to go down both sides. So what we'll do is we'll come over here and I'll show you how this goes on here. We've already got this installed, but this is the edge trim, as you can see there. It's got metal inside of it, makes it fit real nice. Just push that over the edges. Doesn't hurt to take a little hammer and tap it down, or the palm of your hand, or a little block of wood. You're going to get 6 pieces. They go down both sides. So the big piece for the front, small piece for the front, big piece for the back. So, and then to get the adhesive back gasketing, this top is going to go over this like this. So this will go in between to seal out any water. And if you can see, there's 2 sets of slots. We're going to go right down the middle of them, like you see here, about 1 inch or so from the edge. Anyway, run that down, and that's going to be covered up by the rear section. Okay, first thing we do is we put the front section on, as you can see here. And using a big washer and a screw, we put the screw down through the top into the hole in the cage. A little hard to see, but it's right there. So put those in place. Hand tighten the nut onto it, but don't tighten it all the way in. Got the front piece set into place here. Now we're gonna set the back piece into place. As you can see here, these screws are gonna go through the frame on the outside. In the middle, they're gonna go around. They're gonna go into these rubber coated straps. Now we're gonna install the back top over top of the front section of the top. And you're gonna take these custom brackets. There's 4 of them, 2 for the front, 2 for the rear. And they're gonna slip right over top of the cage here, or I'm sorry, underneath the cage. And just like you see right there, hard to see, but they're custom made for this cage. So we're gonna get one in the front and one in the back section. So when you put it on here, just put it around it like that. Again, you can see that, just go around it like that. Then put your screw down through the top. Okay, now we're gonna tighten down. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave all the screws loose until we get them all in. Now note, these 2 go into the frame. If you want, you could drill your frame out, you know, a 1/16 bigger or something. Might make it a little easier for you, but I don't think it's necessary, but it might, you know, it might make it easier. So anyway, now we've got all the screws into place. We're gonna go ahead and tighten them all down. There it is, there's the finished product. Nice aluminum top from Extreme Metal Products. We'll zoom in. Oh, look at that. Nice dual cup holder too.